Welcome back, traders. In today's video, I'm going to break down this clean, smart money concept sell-side setup, step by step, using liquidity sweep, break of structure, inducement, order block, and how I entered a high-probability sell trade straight to sell-side liquidity. Let's jump directly into the chart. As the market consolidates inside this range, we can clearly see multiple equal highs forming on the left. These equal highs act as liquidity pools, a perfect target for smart money to hunt. Price aggressively pushes upwards and takes out the previous high. This is our liquidity sweep. This move is extremely important because it shows us that smart money has collected liquidity, and the next phase is usually a shift in market structure. Right after sweeping these highs, price does exactly what we expect. It gives us a sharp rejection and breaks below the previous swing low. This is our break of structure, confirming bearish order flow. A break of structure after a liquidity grab is one of the strongest confirmations that the market is ready to move in the opposite direction. Now that we have break of structure, our next job is to identify the order block. Here you can see the last up candle before the strong down move. This candle becomes our bearish order block. This is where institutional traders last accumulated sell positions before pushing the market down. We expect price to retrace back into this zone to rebalance inefficiency and mitigate orders. Before price returns to the order block, the market creates a beautifully clean inducement structure. Notice this small swing high forming right below the order block. Why is this important? Because retail traders get trapped buying this pullback. Smart money uses these early buyers as liquidity before moving price into our true point of interest, the order block. Look at the bottom of the chart. You can see a clear line of sell-side liquidity where equal lows have formed. This is our target for the trade. Why? Because smart money always moves from one liquidity pool to the next. Since liquidity was taken from the top, the next logical target is the liquidity resting at the bottom. Now watch how price pulls back perfectly into our order block. The inducement gets taken first. That's our confirmation. As soon as price taps into the order block and shows rejection on the lower time frame, I execute the sell trade. My stop loss is placed just above the order block, and my take profit is set exactly at the sell-side liquidity area. From here, the move is extremely clean. Price respects the order block, rejects, and follows the expected internal structure straight downward. Eventually, it taps our final target, the sell-side liquidity. This is a textbook smart money concept trade. Liquidity sweep, BOS, order block, inducement, sell-side liquidity target. A high-probability clean sell-to-liquidity setup. If you found this breakdown valuable and want more SMC-based setups like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want me to explain any concept in even more detail. Thanks for watching. Trade smart, not emotional.